Tired of feeling like you're not quite palatable enough? Introducing the Palatability-Tea Kit. Inside this kit, you'll find everything you need to become the epitome of palatability. Our sweet and delicate tea infuser will help you communicate with poise and sophistication. So don't let your unpalatable ways hold you back. Order your Palatability Kit today and become the epitome of palatability in no time. Order your first trial month for only $499 or 21 easy payments of $23.76 at palatability.com.au. Order within the next 20 minutes and get an extra 12-month supply for only $1. Don't miss out, limited stock available. Order now at palatability.com.au.